Hello my dear students. In my last video I had discussed about the properties of determinant with some examples. Now I am going to start to solve some numericals using properties. It will gives you more clarity how to use the property in a problem. Okay. So let us start with a particular problem. Here the problem is that without expanding, you have to prove that this determinant, the determinant is first row x a x plus a, second row y b y plus b, third row z c z plus c, and you are going to prove that this is equal to what? 0. Let us take left hand side. We know that without expanding we can find the value of a determinant is 0. There are two properties we have discussed in the last video, in the last lecture. The properties are, if in a determinant in a particular row or a particular column, if every term is 0, then the value of the determinant is automatically 0, or if any two rows or any two columns are identical, then value of the determinant is 0. So here we have two options. To make every term is 0, it is difficult. So let us think about the property which is if any two rows or any two columns are identical. Let us start with this. Here you see in the third row that is x, y, z, and in the first column x, y, z, and in the third column x plus a, y plus b, and z plus c. Now if you subtract, if you apply this particular property, the C3 minus C1, that means from column number 3, if you subtract column number 1, you see what you get? X plus a minus x is equal to what? A. Y plus b minus y is equal to what? B. Z plus c minus z is equal to what? C. This a, b, c, you know that when you subtract from C3 to C1, result always put into what? C3. So that's why I am applying this particular column operation. And ultimately we get in the third column will be replaced by what? This third column is replaced in the new determinant by a, b, c. Okay. Now see, in this particular determinant there are two columns, this one and that one, both are same, identical. So by using this property we can say that the result is equal to 0, and we can write like that, since C2 equal to what? C3. That means both the columns are identical. So ultimately we get the result. Hence this particular problem is done. So it's very easy. So you just practice, then apply the properties, and get in a phase manner, and gradually you will get an idea how to solve such a problem. Now comes to the next problem. The next problem is that what is the next problem? Next problem is that you have to prove that 1 and BC, A into B plus C, 1 CA, B into C plus A, 1 AB, C into A plus B equal to 0. Again we take left hand side, and again we will think of these two properties. First property, that is all the terms become 0, is very difficult for here. So we will go for the second option. Here you see if you expand this particular term AB plus C, BC plus AB, CA plus AB, you can write third column like that. And if you add C2 and C3, you are getting an interesting value. That value is equal to what? AB plus BC plus AC. In every term you are getting. Here see BC plus AB plus CA. Here CA plus BC plus AB. That means in every term, after getting the adding two columns, you are getting the particular result AB, BC, AB plus BC plus AC. And that particular value can be replaced in column number 3. You can replace in column number 2 also. Here I am replacing column number 3 because already this particular figure is a little that is a big figure. So I am replacing this figure by that one. This one is a simple one. So ultimately third column is B plus BC plus CA, and in every term the figure is AB plus BC plus AC. So you can take AB plus BC plus SE, AB plus BC plus SE can take common out from the column number 3. And if you take common out, then every term will be 1, 1, 1. Very easy. You know the property that if in a determinant, if in a particular column or a particular row, if a particular number is common to every term, every element in a particular column, then that particular common factor can be come out. और अगर कोई एक कॉलम में एक पर्टिकुलर नंबर कॉमन रहता है तो उसको हम बाहर कर सकता है. उसको बाहर कर दिया. बाहर करने के बाद दो कॉलम आइडेंटिकल हो गया. ये कॉलम क्या क्या है, C1 and C3, and C1 and C3 are identical. Therefore the value of this determinant is equal to 0. This into AB plus BC plus C into 0 equal to, finally we get the result 0. So I hope you understand. This way you can apply the properties without expanding. You can solve the problem. If in the questions, if the question do not asked about without expanding, just say that prove that this, you have to utilize property and solve the problem. So this way you can do that. Then you can find interesting in this chapter, and also your skill will be developed. I hope you understand, and I'll come back with another video for more problems. Thank you very much. Thank you.